Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the computers mock test 6. I request you guys to check playlist. You'll find up to mock test 5. So please go through whatever we have in it. An internet adapter. We knew that whatever adapter of internet, that is telephonic IA. That is a Unix program which enable dial-up account to emulate a slip connection. This is what exactly the function of the internet adapter, and it allows the user to run internet as W native to his or her desktop environment without the full costs or full functionality of real slip. In this case, these both the sentences are true regarding internet adapter. Next we have hybrid computers which refers to the computer systems that utilize the measuring capacity of an analog computer and the counting capability of a digital computer. This is what exactly the hybrid computers do. Any letter, number or symbol found on the keyboard that you can type into the computer is called what? That is a character. Each letter is a character, whether it is a numeral or it is a alphabetics. The secret code that gives you access to some programs, they are passwords. We used to have the passwords before entering into the computer. That is a secret code. The different styles of lettering in a word processing program is called what? They are all fonts. There are different styles of lettering in a word processing program. Key to disk is a device used to enter data into a disk or device. This is what exactly the key to disk. Which of the following keys can be used together with the other keys for special tasks? That is control and shift. These are which are to be remembered. These are the together with the other keys. They're used for the special task purpose. Control, we can use the shift F3 for capitalizing. A symbol or question on the screen that prompts you to take action and tells the computer what to do next is prompt and dialog box. These two are important, which is a symbol or question on the screen that prompts you to take action and tells the computer what exactly to be done in the next. Choice are preferred as you can see options. They are the options. Anything written on the screen is called what? That is a text. Exit lets you leave a screen or program. What exactly exit has to be done? Escape, if you press the escape, that directly get exit. Instruction that tell the computer what to do are called, they are all programs which are given predefined instructions. An email address typically consists of a user ID followed by the sign, that is @ sign. Software applies procedures also called algorithms to process data. So this is what exactly, what are the software? It applies procedures also called algorithms towards that to process data. Here a file extension is separated from the main file name with the but none space. Here as you can see what exactly the word can be put over here. A file extension is separated from the main file name with the help of with the no space. So whatever the mark, there is no mark has to be placed among this. I want you guys to identify what exactly the file extension is separated from the main file name with a dash but no space. Ad hoc query is a pre-scheduled question which is also known as a ad hoc query. A website consists of one or more web pages located on web servers. This is what exactly the website has got. In that, one or more web pages we have located on the web server. A computer is a set of program instructions that can attach itself to a file, reproduces itself and spread to other files. That is, it's a virus. It's a set of programs instruction that can attach itself to a file, reproduce itself and spread other files. So this is what exactly the function of the virus. Programs such as Internet Explorer that serve as a navigable, they are windows into the web, are called web browsers. This is what exactly the web browsers are. Protection but also furnishes your computer with battery backup power during a power outage, that is UPS. That is what UPS stands, uninterrupted power supply. This what exactly it protects, but also furnishes the computer with the battery backup power during the power outage, whenever there is a outage of current. When you save to secondary storage device, your data will remain intact even when the computer is turned off. Automatically, what are the saved documents that will be saved in the secondary storage device. The motherboard is a circuit board that contains a CPU and other chips. This is what exactly it has got inside the CPU. So this is the function of the motherboard. Computer intensive problem runs on a supercomputer. This type of computer intensive problem which runs in a supercomputer. Next we have the call from the storage device and the instant at which delivery begins. It is access time. So this is what exactly you have to remember. What exactly the access time is. The time interval between the instant at which data is called from a storage device and the instant at which delivery begins is known as access time. Next we have what is meant by the dedicated computer, that is, as you can see, which is assigned one and only task. That is what dedicated computer. The system unit of a personal computer contains all of the following except modem. Modem means modulator and demodulator. A computer program that converts an entire machine language is called interpreter. This is what exactly the function of the interpreter is, which converts an entire machine language into the information. Next we have the majority of computer crimes are committed by the hackers only. A small or intelligent device is also called contains within it has sensor, also one type of intelligent device which is contains a sensor in that. When a key is pressed on keyboard, the standard is used for converting the key stroke corresponding bits, that is ANSI. You comment me in this section what exactly the abbreviation of ANSI. A pixel is the smallest resolvable part of a picture. We can see pixels you will find in a desktop, what exactly the resolutions are. The following device is used as a standard pointing device in a graphical user environment, that is mouse, which is used for the pointing device. The following system is usually followed by the 32-bit computer is it is as usual. You can see here 2 is the answer for this. You can directly go through whatever has been given. What is the name of the 64-bit microprocessor developed by AMD? That is Opteron is the one which was produced by the AMD, that is 64-bit microprocessor. Which of the following is computer manufacturers quotes empowering your PC is the quotation given by the Mercury. Empowering your PC is the best one. LG Life is good. Notal is a company which manufactures network equipment is the one which is the company which manufactures network equipment are manufactured by Notal. Next we have expansion slot and active components are mounted on a single board. That name of the board is motherboard, on which you will find expansion slot as well as active components. Which of the following is a personal co-manufacturer from Taiwan? Acer. You can see exactly from where we import from the Taiwan, that is Acer. SCS1 is a term related with storage. This is what exactly SCS1, that is a one type of storage one. Which of the following companies did SEO sue for using code Unix in its operating system? In the case of Microsoft, that has been done. You can't use the Unix thing. What is the maximum cable length of STP? Now I want you guys to comment me what exactly the abbreviation of STP. It is near about 200 meters length. The STP cable is. The maximum data capacity of STP is 100 megabytes per second. It's not bits, megabytes. MB means megabytes. So in the same manner, 100 megabytes per second is the maximum data capacity. The connectors does STP use, that is RJ45 is the one which is used by the RJ45 is the one. What is the central device in star topology is hub or switch is the one which is the central device. What is the maximum data capacity for optical fiber cable, that is 1000 Mbps is the maximum optical fiber cable, as you can see 100 Mbps. The following architecture uses CSMA CD access method, that is Ethernet is the one which is used in this. Which of the following protocols is used to find hardware address or MAC address when IP address is known, that is ARP is the one which is to be remembered. A browser hijacker is a type of malware program that alters your computer's browser settings so that you can redirect it to websites that you had no intention of visiting. This is what exactly the function of the browser hijacker is. It's one type of malware. The World Wide Web is made of documents created in the language called HTML, hypertext markup language. That is exactly a function of the HTML is World Wide Web, which is made of documents created in language. Computers can be on different local networks in a domain. So we knew that whatever the computers can be, it can be on different local networks in a domain. This is what exactly we can remember. So the maximum questions I had given, guys. I hope this will help you. You can directly go through whatever the meaning of the inner meaning of all these. You can directly segregate important bits and you can revise and you can crack your job. Please go through playlist. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.